Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to this week's food haul and meal plan. So this week I did a click and collect at Morrisons, and this is the first time I've done it, and it was actually really easy, and it wasn't as busy as Tesco, so that was good. And yeah, they came up straight away and gave me everything, no substitutions, so yeah, that was really good. I didn't get everything that I wanted because I was adding stuff on last night, and another good thing I just thought of is you can add up to 2:40 in the morning, which is good. Most of the time it's like 10 or 11 at night, so you have loads of time to add the night before. But yeah, anyway, I was doing that, and then you have to authorize it on your banking app, and my banking app was having maintenance, so I couldn't add the things I wanted. So I am going to have to go to another shop to pick up the last few things, but anyway, I'll show you. I've got the majority here, so I'll show you everything I've got, and then the meal plan at the end. Okay, so fruit and veg, we've got a honeydew melon, some bananas, got a mixture of red and green grapes because Mila's liking both of them at the moment. Got some apples, a cucumber, some baby potatoes, and then I got these three juices. These were all on offer for £1 each, which I thought was really good. So we've got lemon and raspberry, pineapple and guava, and mango and passion fruit. There was actually quite a few good deals, which I was really pleased with. So these were a deal, 3 for £3, so £1 each. So that's really good. So I got 3 packs of these yogurt tubes. This was on offer. I think it was £1.25 maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna have that with my I'm gonna have that with my granola in the mornings, because that's meant to be good for you, this yogurt, isn't it? The Greek yogurt that I had last week was really nice. It was really nice and thick. But yeah, I forgot about this kefir yogurt, which is meant to be really good. It's high protein still, and it says immunity support. I think it's meant to be good for your gut. Oh yeah, look, gut health, immunity support, billions of live cultures, high protein, source of calcium, no added sugar. So yeah, it seems quite good. So I thought I'd have that with my granola in the mornings. Got some cheese. I don't normally buy, I think I bought it last week, and we've gone through the whole thing. Mila is obsessed with cheese this week, but yeah, got another cheese. These were on offer. They're normally, I don't know, £3 or maybe even £3.50 sometimes, and they were £2.50, and that's for a pack of 12, so I think that's quite good. The bacon I got because, well, we like bacon anyway, but there was a deal with the meat, 3 for £10, and one of the things I got was a 16 pack of bacon. So obviously they've just put a 10 and a 6 pack, which is fine. So yeah, I'll show you the other things in the deal in a minute. I wanted some mini pizzas, and they didn't have any frozen ones, but they did have these, which are freezable, and these were only about 50 or 60p each. So I did get 4 of the just cheese and tomato ones, because Jack really likes those. Mila likes them too, but then I thought I would also get Mila a couple of pepperoni ones, because she does like pepperoni. These were, I think, about 10p more. So I think these maybe were like 59p, and these were like 69p or something like that. Then I've got whole chicken, roast in the bag chicken, so I can make a Sunday roast, and then also use leftovers for a meal on Monday, because we go football. Tuesday it'll be, but that'll be fine. Salt and pepper beef sizzle steaks, that's part of the 3 for 10, and then mango and lime chicken breast steaks. So yeah, got this and the bacon for £10, which I think is quite good. I just thought I'd show you these cute bracelets Mila got for her friend for her party, BFF bracelets. Got those in Tesco, just because they're there. I thought I'd show you. Got some tiger bread, some chocolate chip brioche. These I've never seen before, but they just sounded nice. Cinnamon, I think they're cinnamon rolls. But yeah, don't know what they'll be like. Hopefully they'll be nice. And then I need to get some more crisps, I think. I've just got cheese and onion ones left. So I got some prawn cocktail, and then these are Jack's favourite, Liam Perrins, and you don't see them everywhere, so I thought because they have them, I'd better pick them up. And then I got these Alpen bars for me, because sometimes if I'm working without a break and I have to go and do the school run straight after working, I am starving. So I just thought I better take, you know, like a cereal bar at least to keep me going, to maybe eat halfway through a clean, or when I finished, like when I'm on the school run, I don't know. But yeah, these are new, I think. So we've got the raspberry rocky road ones and chocolate honeycomb. And then got some ice lollies because we're finally getting some sunshine. So we've got some toffee ice cream cones, these super fruities. They look like the Refreshers one, but obviously Morrison's own. And then the white chocolate Magnum dupe, and the mint ones as well, and they're actually really good. This box is slightly damaged, but the person said, is it okay to have that? He got the best one possible, so they actually care what they're giving you, which Tesco don't really. But yeah, these were on an offer, I think. I can't remember what it was. Four for £5 maybe, I can't remember, but there was a deal and I chose these out of the deal. And then just a couple of packs of baby wipes. But yeah, that's everything. So I will put the price on the screen and then we'll move on to the meal plan. Okay, so here's our meal plan for this week. So as always, I don't need to cook on Monday because it's football night. Then I'm going to use leftover chicken to make a curry on Tuesday. Then we'll have the mango and lime chicken with some vegetables and baby potatoes. And then I've got tuna pasta on Thursday. I'm not sure. I might try Mila with tuna pasta again. She just doesn't have as much time between school and gymnastics. But then after gymnastics, a bit late, and we need to like get to bed. So yeah, I'm not too sure. We might try tuna pasta again because she really loves having tuna pasta on a Thursday. But last time we did that before gymnastics, she felt a bit sick. So we'll see how she feels. We'll either do a tuna pasta for her, or we'll just do her like a picky dinner, and then me and Dan will probably have tuna pasta in the evening. And if she doesn't have tuna pasta on the Thursday, she'll probably have it, you know, like on the Saturday or something, because she likes to have it at least once a week. And then we're gonna have the beef sizzle steaks on Friday, probably just with some chips and salad. And then yeah, I haven't been doing Saturday and Sunday because normally we'll just see what we've got in, or maybe we'll get something from a shop or go out, and then Sunday roast dinner. So yeah, that is our meal plan for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in the next video. Bye.